If Chrome is showing the DNS_proby_finished_bad_config error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back online as quickly as possible. This error usually means Chrome is having trouble reaching a website because of a DNS or network configuration issue. And the good news is that it can often be fixed without any advanced technical skills. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy computer fixes and troubleshooting guides. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear Chrome's internal host cache. Sometimes the problem is not your internet connection itself, but Chrome's own saved network memory. To do this, open a new tab in Chrome and type Chrome, netinternals number DNS into the address bar, then press Enter. On this page, you'll see a button that says Clear Host Cache. Click that button to wipe Chrome's stored DNS records and force it to request fresh information the next time you visit a site. Right after that, we'll reset Chrome flags as well. In the address bar, type Chrome, flags, and press Enter. At the top right, you'll see the option to reset all. Click that to remove any experimental browser settings that could be interfering with network behavior. If a hidden Chrome flag is causing the DNS error, this step can often fix it immediately. Now let's move on to the Windows side of the fix. If you're on a Windows computer, corrupted DNS or IP settings may be causing the problem. To clear them out, open your Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the commands we're about to use need elevated permissions to make changes to your network configuration. Once Command Prompt opens, type each of these commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each one. First, type ipconfig flush DNS. This clears out any corrupt DNS lookup data stored on your system. Next, type ipconfig release. This drops your current IP address so Windows can disconnect and prepare for a new network assignment. After that, type ipconfig renew. This asks your router for a fresh IP configuration. And finally, type netsint IP reset. This resets important IP protocol settings that may have become damaged or misconfigured. After running these commands, restart your computer if needed, and test Chrome again. If the error is still showing up, the next best step is to switch to public DNS servers manually. Sometimes your internet service provider's DNS routing may be unstable or temporarily down, and using public DNS can bypass that issue. To do this on Windows, open the Start menu, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This opens your Network Connections window. Find your active connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right-click it, and select Properties. Then double-click Internet Protocol version 4, also known as TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. These are Google public DNS addresses, and they're widely used as a stable alternative when default DNS is failing. Click OK to save everything, then reconnect if needed and try loading the website again. Another thing that can trigger DNS problems is a VPN or proxy. If you have a VPN running, turn it off temporarily and check whether Chrome starts working normally. The same goes for network proxies, which can redirect traffic in a way that causes DNS lookup failures. If you're using a proxy without realizing it, disabling it may solve the issue right away. If none of those steps work yet, it's time to power cycle your router. A router can sometimes build up a memory issue or stall in its routing cache, which can cause local network problems. To do this, unplug your internet router or modem from the wall outlet. Wait a full 60 seconds so the internal cache can completely clear. Then plug it back in and give it about 2 minutes to fully restart and stabilize the connection lights. Once the network is back online, test Chrome again and see if the error is gone. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the DNS_proby_finished_bad_config error. If the issue was Chrome specific, clearing the host cache and resetting flags should help. If it was system level, flushing DNS, renewing your IP, or switching to public DNS will usually do the trick. And if the issue is coming from your router or network software, restarting the hardware or disabling VPNs and proxies can make a big difference. If this video helped you fix Chrome, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.